Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and amazing ideas of crochet hearts. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of hearts in different sizes which can be used for different crochet projects according to their sizes. You will see mini heart designing ideas, smaller and medium size designs, and coaster size heart shapes designs are also included in this video, and all of these designs are having different crochet stitches used in them, and these designs are mostly having a double crochet stitch and single crochet stitches as major stitches used in most of these designs. And you will see granny square patterns, solid granny square patterns designs in this video as well, and which are then converted into a heart shape. All of these designs are unique and their color schemes are also very attractive and gorgeous. So just take a screenshot of the design of heart which you like the most and you want to make for any crochet project. You can use these hearts in different crochet projects, like you can use them as key rings as well. You can use them as coasters, and you can use them in crochet baby products like in baby frocks and baby caps, and you can also use smaller sized hearts on baby sandals as well for baby girls. So just give them a try by taking a screenshot of the design of specific heart which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home for different crochet projects, and let me know in the comments if you love them. If you don't know crochet work and you want tutorial videos, step by step patterns, you can let me know in the comments as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, crochet tutorial videos are also available on my channel. So if you are interested in different shapes of hearts, let me know in the comments. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of handmade products ideas videos and crochet tutorial videos available on my channel. So you will also find home decoration ideas in this channel which are mostly related to macrame, wall hanging decoration ideas, and other different decoration pieces like table centerpiece designs. You will find rugs ideas, tablecloths, etc. And you will also find wearable accessories of women and kids on this channel. So just stay connected and share this video with other handmade products lover. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and family. Bye.